Hello children, hope you all are doing well. In this lecture I am going to continue with the chapter multiplication. I'll be completing this chapter today and tomorrow we'll be moving to the last chapter, that is Roman numbers. In previous lecture I sent you the rules regarding properties of multiplication. Now I'll read and explain. Like we have done properties of addition and subtraction. Similarly, multiplication has four properties. The first one is, if the order of two numbers is changed in a multiplication sum, the product remains the same. Means if you are multiplying two numbers, like 2 nines are, it's 18, and 9 twos are, it's again 18. Means the order of the numbers, whatever it be, the product will remain same. 2 nines are is 18, 9 twos are is 18, 6 fives are 30, 5 6 are 30. So the in case of multiplication you will get blanks on the basis of these four properties, like 6 into 5 equals to 5 into dash. Here you will be using this property. The product remains same even if the order of the numbers which are multiplied is reversed. Now, order word is used in the case when we have two numbers for multiplication. If in multiplication we are using more than two numbers, like 3 into 2 into 5. So to do multiplication of more than two numbers, we make their groups, like 3 into 2 into 5. First 3 twos are 6, 6 fives are 30. If I change this order, 3 into 5, 15, 15 into 2, again 30. Grouping more than two numbers, you have to remember. Order only two numbers. Here also you will get blank. 3 into 2 into 5 equals to 5 into dash into 2. Three numbers which are written on left side should be on right hand side. So you will see whichever is missing, whatever number is missing, you will be writing that. Keep it in your mind. Order word is used in case of two numbers and pairing or grouping more than two numbers. In fourth standard you have three numbers. Two numbers which we are multiplying first will be written in a bracket, small bracket. Third property, if a number is multiplied by 1, the product remains same. Means the product is the number itself. 5 ones are 5, 9 ones are 9, 8 ones are 8, 100 ones are 100. So the number into dash equals to same number. 7 into dash equals to 7. Here your answer will be 1. 9 into dash equals to 9. So any number multiplied by 1 gives the same number as the product. Number into 1 equals to number itself. Last property is, if the number is multiplied by 0, then the product is 0. 7 into 0, 0. 5 into 0, 0. 9 into 0, 0. So any number multiplied by 0 becomes 0. 7 into 0 equals to dash 0. So children, these four properties you have to learn and their application will be in the form of fill in the blanks. Next there is multiplication of a number by 10, 100 or 1000. It's very easy. 7 ones are 7, 7 tens are 70, 7 hundreds are 700. How I am doing? Like I am multiplying 7 by 1 first example which I gave, it was 7. Now 7 into 10. From that pair I have picked 7 and 1. That is 7, 1 0 written there, 70. Means when we multiply a number by 10, we put 1 0 on the right of the given number. 7 into 10, 7, 1 0 of 10. 7 into 100, 7, 2 zeros on the right side, 700. 7 into 3, 7 into 1000, 7000. Put 3 zeros on the right side of the given numbers. Means we are not doing multiplication sum just by oral multiplication. I am telling you, you will multiply that number by 1. Means simply you are writing that number and putting the number of zeros on the right side. So using these properties, you have exercise 3.4, which in the last lecture I told you to write in your notebook. Then the most important exercise and the most scoring exercise are children in chapter addition and subtraction. There were problem sums related to real life situation. Here also problem sums. So from these chapters, problem sums, they are of minimum 30 marks. And I have told you the method where you have to add, where you have to subtract. Now here is the multiplication problem sum, because in the exam you will be getting mixed sum from these three operations. Multiplication, you know, the another name of multiplication is repeated addition. If a child goes to bookshop to buy a pencil and the shopkeeper says the cost of one pencil is 5 rupees and child says I want 9 pencils. So he has to pay how much? 5 added 9 times. We are adding any number of times, then we can multiply. Means he won't be adding 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus like this. He will simply do 5 into 9, 45. So whenever cost of one article is given and you have to find the cost of more articles, that is multiplication. You have sums, a man earns rupees 5,155 per month. Per month means income of 1 month. How much will he earn in 25 months? So we'll write income of 1 month, income of 25 months, then we'll multiply. Now in this sum, you need to be very careful. First of all, the statement which you have to write from the given statement in your answer. Earning of 1 month, earning of 25 months. Then you will be writing the numbers to multiply. Definitely I'll be sending you the pic of board itself after with this video. Then whenever you have to do multiplication, if there is not sufficient space after writing the statement, just below that you can write the multiplication. Keep it in your mind, 1 digit in 1 block, otherwise there are plenty of chances of mistakes. Then with answer you have to write unit and you will put it in a separate box. So if problem sum is of 5 marks, 2 marks for your statement, 2 marks for your multiplication, 1 mark is for your answer with units. A book costs rupees 157. Find the cost of 78 books. Same, cost of 1 book, cost of 78 books. Now he won't be adding 157 78 times. Simply multiplication. Whenever in the first line cost of one article is given, the sum is of multiplication and you have to find the cost of many articles. Articles means things, goods, merchandise. It may be books, maybe sari, maybe machine, maybe screw, maybe cost of any video game, anything. So with this, multiplication chapter is over. You have done with many other syllabus. like many subject syllabus is over, so we have to complete mathematics syllabus. So again tomorrow in the next lecture I'll be giving you introduction of Roman numbers. First we will understand the rules clearly. If rules are clear, you can write Roman numbers up to any limit, up to limitless, up to any counting numbers you can write, if the rules are clear to you. So your work is to do 3.4 in the book itself and exercise 3.5, whatever sums are in the syllabus. I'll be sending their solutions pic on the board. You will be writing one problem sum on one page. Have a nice day. Thank you.